Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very pretty and unique stitch pattern. See, this is the way it looks like. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater. See, this is the pattern. It looks so pretty. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 12 and plus 2 edge stitch. This is only 10 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 12 and plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 26 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12, 2 times 12, 24, and 2 edge stitch 26. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Knit all stitches for for row 1 right side. So you have done our row 1, row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch purlwise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, we're going to knit 2 together all the way across, right? So knit 2 together, knit these 2 together. That's the repeat, knit 2 together. You're going to finish this row with all knit 2 together. Last one, knit 2 together, and your edge stitch and in front and purl on the wrong side. Row 3, for row 3 slip your edge stitch knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1 and yarn over. That's the repeat, right? This is the repeat, knit 1 and yarn over. Again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. All right, knit 1, yarn over. Last one, knit 1, yarn over, and edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Slip your edge stitch purlwise and purl all stitches on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, slip your edge stitch knitwise and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, and then here for these 2 stitches we're gonna do SSK and knit 2 together. So SSK first, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. Sorry, that's the SSK, and then knit 2 together. Right, SSK, knit 2 together, and here knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. Again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK, knit 2 together, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn over, and knit 1. Right, we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, and then here purl 2 together. And for these 2 stitches, SSP, we're going to do SSP. SSP is like SSK on the wrong side. So we're going to slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, just like SSK, slip 2 knitwise, and purl these 2 together through the back loop, right, through the back loop, like so, SSP, right, and then purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over, purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, purl 2 together, SSP, and purl 2, yarn over, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over, purl 2, 1, 2, and then purl 2 together, SSP, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and purl these 2, right, like SSK, purl these 2 together through the back loop, SSP, and then here purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, and your edge stitch, purl. Row 7. For row 7, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, say, and knit 3, 1, sorry, knit 1, SSK, after knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, SSK, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, sorry, I'll tell you one more time, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, knit 1, SSK, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, knit 1, and SSK, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8. For row 8, slip your edge stitch purl wise and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1 1 2 3 4, purl 4, yarn over, purl 2 together, SSP, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and purl these two together through the back loop, and yarn over, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn over, purl 2 together, SSP, yarn over, purl 4. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn over, purl 2 together, SSP, yarn over, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Your edge stitch purl. Row 9. For row 9, see, row 9, knit all stitches, edge stitch slip and knit all stitches. Row 10, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat these 10 rows, row 1 to row 10, over and over again until you reach your desired length. See? And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.